Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the console and unplugging it. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove the outer shell by lifting the panel at the corner and sliding it aside. Use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Next, remove visible screws near the base with a T6 or T8 driver and set them aside in order. Make sure to note connector positions because reassembly relies on their sequence. You're now at the exposed board and ready for the next stage. With the board accessible, first disconnect the small battery or capacitor cable so you have zero live voltage on the board. Then desolder the jack solder points or remove its tiny retaining screws. Use steady heat and avoid lifting nearby pads. Once solder is molten, gently wiggle and pull the old 3.5 mm jack out with tweezers. Take care not to rip traces. After removal, clean solder pads with flux remover and a solder wick so place the replacement jack in correct orientation and tack one pin to hold it. Then solder remaining pins with short, controlled heating to avoid pad lift. Once soldering is complete, visually inspect joints for bridges and cold joints. Reconnect the battery cable, reattach the board and shell, and power the Ps5 onto test audio with headphones. Adjust volume and check mic. If you get no audio, reopen and reflow suspect joints. Check continuity with a multimeter, and make sure ribbon connectors are fully seated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.